Hello everyone, and welcome to the Introduction to Matplotlib lecture. In this lecture, we're going to get a brief introduction of what Matplotlib is, and then show you just a little bit of the website for Matplotlib. Matplotlib, or as some people pronounce it, Matplotlib, is the most popular plotting library for Python, and it really gives you complete control over almost every aspect of a figure or plot. And it's designed to have a very similar feel to MATLAB, which is another programming language, and its own graphical plotting capabilities. Matplotlib works very well with pandas and NumPy arrays, which is why we're going to learn about it. Later on, we're going to learn about some other libraries, such as Seaborn, that is actually built off of Matplotlib. But in order to understand those libraries, it's important to understand Matplotlib first. You'll need to install it with either pip or conda at your command line or terminal with one of the following commands. If you're using the Anaconda distribution of Python, a simple conda install matplotlib at your command line or terminal should install matplotlib for you. Or if you're using another version of Python, pip install matplotlib should also work for you. Now let's go ahead and get a quick tour of the official website. Okay, here I am at matplotlib.org, which is the official website for Matplotlib. You'll see here there's some introduction information, as well as some more official installation instructions and some other documentation links. Probably the most important link on this page, however, is right here under Gallery. If you click on Gallery, or go to matplotlib.org/gallery, you'll get taken to this link, and you should see a list of a bunch of different types of plot names. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll see that there's a bunch of figures or example figures. And these are all the various types of plots that Matplotlib is capable of creating for you. Later on, we'll learn how to use other libraries that are better for things such as statistical plots. But if you ever find yourself having a question of Matplotlib's capabilities, you can come to this page and search for the kind of plot you're looking for. For example, if I go ahead and scroll back up here, let's say you wanted to make a pie chart. Well, you would come here under the gallery, look for where it says pie charts, click here, pie and polar charts. You'll come down to this link, and then it'll show you some couple of figures here that are hopefully relevant examples. Once you find one that looks like what you want to do, let's go ahead and click this first one. It will take you to an example page that not only has the figure, but also has very well commented code and instructions on how to perform whatever plot you're looking for. In this case, a pie chart. Alright, so that's probably the most helpful page on Matplotlib. The other links are just basic links to the documentation and functions in it. And we're going to go over the most common functions as we continue on throughout this section of the course. Alright, remember that matplotlib.org is a resource for you, especially the gallery page. Coming up next, we're going to show you how to actually use Matplotlib to create your own figures. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.